It's the Aspiring Actors Guide to New York.
Checking out of the hotel right now, heading to the bus to head to the airport to head to Billings, Montana. So that's gonna be fun. Fortunately, it's just a travel day today. We're not doing a show tonight. We're just traveling. So everybody's voices could take a little break.
The road. Brenna is missing thanks to your earbuds.
I'm toiled. double toil and trouble. We're going to Buffalo Wild Wings right now.
Yeah, we are. Good morning, Katie. How you doing?
The naughty nurse of the Rock of Ages, yes.
I got a cut on my butt.
Does someone need a Band-Aid? Because I can't reach mine.
Oh, because Steve got his fingers on his spoon.
Fingers are dead.
Whoa.
She has a Band-Aid.
That looks like it has progressed.
I just don't like to imply that I know that I'm jacked, so create a hashtag like Drew's will.
I don't know. I just thought it was a good idea. I wanted to make sure you guys.
Nice. Nurse Katie to the rescue. Couple rock stars.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you, Chris, for the beer. For the
Yes,
road.
sir.
Yeah, that is
Welcome.
very like
Got my Rock of Ages opener.
That's
That guy.
Hell yeah.
Kyle, sometimes you're just like the best person ever, and then there's other times where I want to push you over, put my foot on your chest so that you can't get up for a very long time.
Cast outing to Buffalo Wild Wings.
We did it!
We did it.
My belly feels weird because I ate
So
chicken
fast.
really fast.
Me too.
And then I gulped down a Corona Rita.
Corona Rita.
That's good though. I have to get my card.
So I just left my phone on the bus, and it almost made it to Montana without me. And that would have been really frustrating. Eddie came back for me. I owe Eddie so much Chick-fil-A. Or not hate chicken. Living that exit row life. Got that extra leg room.
Look, the camera fits and my legs fit.
Yeah. Boom. Just landed in Denver for a layover. I'm gonna go get some food. Just waiting a couple hours before we can get on the next flight to Billings. You guys, I'm on the plane right now. And there's a dog right here. His name is Oscar, and now we're best friends.
Really
We're best friends.
calling him out. Hi, Train, bye.
Oh, I'm sorry, Train.
Hey, Train.
Hey, Train, how you doing? Just woke up at the DoubleTree in Billings, Montana. Gonna check to see if there's a hotel gym, but I also know there's an Anytime Fitness like 1 block away, so I might try to get a day pass. Because I'm serious about my fitness, okay? Oftentimes you're gonna be staying at a hotel, and the hotel gyms are gonna look like this. You got 4 treadmills, 3 climbers, and you got 2 stationary bikes, and no weights to be seen anywhere. Which would be fine if I wanted to do strictly cardio today, and I don't. Just a couple days ago, it was my first time ever in Iowa. Today, I don't count yesterday because we got here like so late last night. Nah, I'll count it. Yesterday was my first day in Montana. I'm seeing a lot of the country. It's pretty cool.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I found in the gas station in Billings, Montana, Hawaiian kettle style potato chip Maui sweet onion.
I have never seen those outside of Hawaii.
Well, they're here in Montana, bitch. That's
Montana. Huh.
just like Hawaii.
Who'd have
only
thunk?
bigger,
Yeah.
bolder.
I'm dead ass.
You guys are so bad. Checking out of the hotel in Billings, Montana. This is a good one. I really liked this hotel. Wish we could have stayed here longer. The theater was great, the city is great. I had the best burger of my life. And I was like, oh man, why is this burger so good? And then I looked on the wall and saw this dude had won world championships in burgers. What? It's amazing. Anyway, next stop, I don't know where we're going. It's gonna be an adventure. I do know, but I can't think of it. Making a stop at Walmart because there's not restaurants next to the hotel or the theater or nothing.
Oh, I should get some mac and cheese.
Hey Zach, what's up?
There's an Albertsons if you don't want to buy at Walmart.
There's a what?
There's an Albertsons grocery right there.
Oh, really?
I'm trying to save you from spending
Yeah,
money at your favorite place. As
I
opposed
try
a
to boycott
small
Walmart.
Kmart.
Why? So they
because-
underpay their people.
Yeah, exactly.
Wait,
I'll see you guys later. This is our view of the theater from the hotel room. Oh, it's a pretty great space. We got to Gillette, Wyoming yesterday, did the show. Today we're doing a turkey trot as a cast. It's gonna be fun.
Wait, that's chicken. What am I doing? There we go. That's turkey. Y'all ready for this? I wanna walk.
If we'd all just paint the town, splashing colors of ourselves onto the city. It was meant for big things, and I'm thinking that our colors are the only ones it's missing. Let's paint the town.
Breakfast buffet after 5K. Look at all these heroes.
People come and go, getting lost in the storm.
Hero.
They're coming strong and slowly.
Time for that understudy run through. Go! I'm hurts today because I went running, so everything hurts.
That our city can be pretty, yeah, if we'd all just paint the town, splashing colors of ourselves onto the city.
All right. Peace out, Wyoming. It's been real. Getting on the bus and going to the airport. Next stop, Grand Prairie, Texas.
Yeah, I didn't know where this airport was. Didn't know it was in South Dakota until I opened Google Maps.
Cool.
We're in South Dakota.
Nice. The Adventures of Rescuing the Lost M&M.
Oh, it's moving. It's moving.
No, it's not. It's still that same corner.
Gravity.
Oh no!
Wait,
Broke it.
just wrap it around the part of the straw that's bending.
Yeah, let's throw some e-tape on the straw.
Have we really been not using electric tape?
E-tape on the straw and then backwards wrapped e-tape on the top.
Do we have electric tape? I've been at. Oh my god! Joe, what is wrong with you?
Just an actor.
I thought about using for fuck's
We have no idea.
They've been here for a week. They're none of ours.
That means they're free if we get them. You know the best
I'll
thing
leave a
by
dollar.
far, Travis.
We'll leave a dollar.
Free.
$50.
Can you go all the way through? Is the wire all the way up there? It's good now. Alright, if this doesn't work, then I got nothing.
Becca,
I feel like
not
we're
the hero
breaking
we
into a
deserve,
car
but the
right
hero we
now.
need. No, that middle straw's gone limp.
It's like two.
We're still innovating. You know, maybe there's some sort of supply we can use on the flight we're about to miss.
Shit, guys, that's us.
That's guys.
No, I'm
right.
so sad.
Can I get my zip ties?
Can we come back to South Dakota just to fix this?
Bye, M&Ms. We wish we could have saved you.
The face of a failure.
I made a sticky end.
It's all right. You're not a failure.
You can't fault me
You just
for
failed
trying.
in this one endeavor.
Joel, I want you to sit right.
Update. She got the M&Ms. What? I need to know. I need to know how.
This aircraft is equipped with infant life vests in the forward compartments in the event of a war landing. The flight attendant will hand the infant life vest to the adult with the infant, even if that means that's your spouse, and give you further instructions.
We just got to our hotel like an hour and a half ago. Just chilling, playing some pool. About to go do some Thanksgiving dinner. You guys want to do cutthroat or Or I can play Felicia? Yeah. Cool. Off to the Rock of Ages Thanksgiving dinner.
Yes, serving freshly showered and wearing the same shit he was in on the plane. Yes.
Happy Thanksgiving. On behalf of Fifth Estate, I'm very grateful for all of you. Thank you for all being here with us. Thank you for celebrating. Thanksgiving is my favorite fucking day of the year. I'm so Grab that bread! Someone get that bread!
It's too close to our chesticles. I can't really do that.
Our chesticles!
Okay, I think that's
Girl, you got a purse.
Oh, you right?
Give me that purse! Give me that bread.
She said, oh,
You right.
How you doing?
We're all what?
Carlina, how you doing? Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
I'm giving thanks for all of you.
I can't. I have to go.
Pickled peppers, Peter Piper picked. And Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Where's the pack of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked?
Sorry, what is that? It's IPA edition Jameson?
Yeah. Hello there,
Dang.
Vlog.
Welcome to the party people. We're gonna play some poker.
Look, yeah.
Poker. Toursday and Grand Prairie.
Toursday.
Prairie. That's French.
That's French for prairie.
Hair's still soaking wet.
Mine too. I gotta go pick up my sandwich from Jimmy Jan's.
Jimmy Jam.
Mate. So we just got to Austin. We're here for one day, less than 24 hours. And apparently the set doesn't fully fit on the stage, which we have a plan for that, usually, except the second level of the set doesn't fit on the stage at all. I'm sure Zoe thought of a plan for it, and we're gonna go over it because we have a plan for it, we just haven't gone over the plan yet because we weren't sure if it was gonna be necessary. But it turns out it might be necessary. Or in fact it is. There's this sweet balcony that we are not allowed to use or we'll be evicted. But look at that pool, that's kinda nice. I think that's a kiddie pool, not a hot tub, but the adventure continues. So this is a cool thing in Austin. They have these cool scooters. You pay $1 to ride for the day, and then you pay for however long you use it. They're not like at racks like city bikes, and you activate it with your app by just scanning this little tag. And then when you're done with it, you just park it. You can either pause your ride or end your ride, and then you're good to go. And I think I got up to like 17 miles an hour on this bad boy. All right, most of you are gonna have a hard time understanding how excited I am right now. I'm at Jack in the Box. We don't have these in New York or in Michigan. So whenever my family used to go somewhere where there was Jack in the Box, we always used to get Jack in the Box tacos. They're a delicacy in the Jurassic household. And I'm so excited to eat one right now. It has been too long. Oh yeah, it's so good. Let's get on.
Keep Boston weird, right?
Yeah. So we were gonna go to Denny's after the show because we're all starving because we what am I trying to say? We had to be at
we ate dinner at 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yeah, we ate dinner at 2 o'clock in the afternoon today. So everybody's so starving. So we were gonna go to Denny's, but the 24-hour Denny's is closed for maintenance.
Now, I'm not saying this happens often, but when I was a senior in high school, 5 years ago, we went to a 24-hour Denny's after the prom, and that shit was closed too. So Denny's, and you better believe I'm never coming back until I want another pancake with mozzarella stick as a side.
Yeah, that's fair. But we're going to Whataburger instead because it's
much better.
Yeah.
And open.
And I hear that I've never been, so you know, it's a blessing in disguise, maybe. It's almost midnight. We're at Whataburger, getting our post-show grub on.
Just eating healthy because we're all about fitness.
Eating really healthy. I'm all about fitness. Burger in my mouth.
I'm about fitting this vanilla milkshake that I put some strawberry Fanta in because I'm fancy AF.
So tomorrow we got to be on the bus at 8:30.
We got to be on the bus before 8:30. It leaves at 8:30.
Yeah. Tomorrow the bus leaves at 8:30. If we're not on the bus before then, it leaves without us. That's definitely how that works. They don't call us and yell at us. It just leaves. And I wouldn't know that from experience because I'm a good boy. It's not true. And just like that, we finish another one and done, and we leave Austin behind for Hidalgo. Tune in next week when we finish our first leg of the tour and leave for Christmas break. We're gonna go to New York and then Detroit and then down to Atlanta. Not actually Atlanta, but Alberton. So chase your dreams. Tune in next week and like and subscribe if you like this video. Peace.
So hit like, comment, subscribe. This guy's amazing.